Hey there, welcome to another video. In today's video we're going to look at GPT Voicer, and we're looking at one particular function, that is to generate videos, GPT Video Generator, which is right here. But before we proceed, let me just tell you, my name is Michael Pitta and I'm so happy that you're here watching this video. Just do leave a like, subscribe and leave a comment if you find anything useful, interesting, or any feedback to share about this video. Let's get back to the video. Alright, I'm in GPT Voicer, and this is the GPT Video Generator menu. So I clicked on Create Video. I'm here in the Create Video and I'm going to create a whiteboard video. Now, yes, GPT Voicer is limited to just whiteboard type of videos in this particular, and there's other types of videos you can create, but let's look at the whiteboard video to start with. There are 4 different ways you can create videos in this. First, let's go ahead with a video title. So I just named it second video. Well, that's very creative, isn't it? I've changed the font to Verdana, the font size to 45. I don't know how big it's gonna be, but I'm just gonna try and see. From my tests, I found that long sentences, they're not split into different lines. So let's see what this comes up with. I'm gonna make some changes also. So I've selected background music volume of just 0.10 because we are having a voiceover, and then a background music which I've just selected. Now here I can select the voices. There are a lot of voices, good voices, good sounding ones. For the male, I think I would choose Brandon or Christopher. Both sound really good. And this here is my text, which I want GPT Voicer to convert into whiteboard videos. Now, yes, of course, you can create whiteboard videos with PowerPoint. You can use any other tool. I just think that this makes it a little easier, so it's nice. Okay, so let's see. Wherever you want a new slide to appear, you just use the add slide break, place your cursor wherever you want it and add slide break, and that section will be split into a new slide. Now on the same slide, if I want the sentences to be split into different lines, I will have to use the enter key. So let's just try it out. I've not tried it, but let's try it out. So this is the title, and that's going to appear on one slide. Then there's a slide break which moves this to the next slide. Focus on your niche. It's important to focus on your niche. Let's add enter there and target when choosing your monetization strategy. Okay, let's just keep it that way so that we don't have too much in one sentence. This will help you make content that your audience likes and that audience likes, and that advertisers and sponsors who are interested in your niche will want to pay attention to. Okay, let's keep it that way. Sorry. Build your audience. Building a loyal audience is crucial for successful blog monetization. Focus on creating quality content that engages your readers and keeps them coming back for more. And then there's the slide break. Okay, I'm just going to show you what happens because of all these. Now let's leave this line as it is and we'll see the result. Be transparent. Okay, here let's add a slide line break. It's important to be transparent with your audience about your monetization strategies. Let your readers know when you're promoting sponsor content or using affiliate links. Okay, that's good. And the last one, let's leave it as it is and we'll see what the result is. Okay, so that's about it. If you really want to speed up the process, when you're getting your text itself, your script, you split it into new lines and keep it all ready. So you just import it here and click create video, and that's what we're going to do now. Create video. Just a few seconds and I think our video should be ready. Let's see. All right. It's been about 10 seconds. Interesting that this video has taken longer to generate, but yes, it's done. Here's my second video. You can download it by clicking this button here, or you can just go to this one to edit it, and let's do that. Let's edit it. Okay, our video is ready. Looks good. So I selected a white background with black text. I selected Verdana with 45 font size. So this is what it looks like. Let's play it out and see how it is.
Tips for successful blog monetization. Focus on your niche.
Oh, okay. See, I have to split these into different lines. Focus on your niche, and I have to
make content that your audience likes and that advertisers and sponsors who are interested in your niche will want to pay attention to. Build your audience. Building a loyal audience.
Okay, this came back fine.
Blog monetization. Focus on creating quality content that engages your readers and keeps them coming back for more. This will help you to build a loyal
Look at this. Look at this part. You remember we did not add any line breaks in this sentence, and look at how long it is. It doesn't even scroll. So this is something you need to bear in mind.
On your affiliate links and purchase your products and services. Be transparent. It's important to be transparent with your audience about your monetization strategies.
Okay, so and here's the other one where we didn't add the line break.
By clicking on your affiliate links or purchasing your products.
Okay, so that's it. It's a 1 minute long video, and we finished this in a matter of just seconds, right? Within 5 minutes we've created this. Now imagine if you were to do it on your own. Add background music, add the voiceover, or you read it, and there'll be multiple takes, a lot of problems. And this software really makes it easy for you to create whiteboard videos, or you can use blackboard videos, so white text or on a blackboard. All that is possible. All you need to do is when you input your text, make sure you input it in the right way. Just here, insert it the way you want it, and I think your videos will come out really good. All right, so that's about the video generator, GPT video generator for this video. Thank you for joining me. Now if you want an exclusive offer for GPT Voicer, you don't have to pay the full amount. You just go to the link in the description and choose the option that you want. It's gonna cost you just a few dollars at the most. Just get it. And also there is a reseller option if you want it. Okay, the reseller rights, you can get it yourself and you can sell this software for anything you want. Well, that's about it for now. Thank you, and I'll see you in another GPT Voicer video.